Congratulations! You've officially hit zero. Your self-worth isn't just low. It has left the building, canceled its subscription, and changed its identity. Most people will tell you to just think positive, or look in the mirror and say you're a warrior. But let's be real. When you're at zero, affirmations feel like trying to fix a shattered skyscraper with a glue stick. This matters right now because we've been taught that trauma is a permanent stain. But science suggests something much weirder and more hopeful: post-traumatic growth. The uncomfortable truth: your old self-worth had to die. It was likely built on conditional value, approval from others, your job title, or a relationship that didn't have your back. You aren't broken. You are just currently a pile of high-quality raw materials waiting for a better blueprint. In psychology, we call this cognitive processing. When a seismic event shatters your world, it destroys your assumptive worldview, the belief that life is predictable and you are safe. To rebuild from zero, you have to stop trying to find the old you. That person is gone. We're looking for version 2.0. We use a process called deliberate rumination. This isn't just overthinking, which is just your brain on a hamster wheel. This is structural thinking. You're analyzing the wreckage to see which bricks were actually solid and which were made of cardboard. Science shows that people who rebuild successfully don't just bounce back, they bounce forward. They develop a higher complexity of self. How do you actually do it? You treat yourself like a high-stakes science experiment. You start with micro-efficacy. You don't aim for confidence yet. You aim for competence. Can you make the bed? Can you walk for 10 minutes? Every time you complete a tiny task, your brain releases a drop of dopamine, slowly recoding your identity from victim to architect. Post-traumatic growth isn't about ignoring the pain. It's about using the heat of that pain to forge a version of yourself that is actually anti-fragile. The fire didn't just happen to you. It cooked the bricks. You're at zero? Good. That's the best place to start when you're building something that's never going to fall again. If you're currently in the rebuilding phase, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you're under construction. I'll see you in the next frame.